welcome to Wood City 5.
This is Wood City 5. One of the big differences to this Wood City is the new mayor. There is a new mayor and it's not PC Lego Man.
Larry Lego.
It is Larry Lego. There he is. So we have two main towers this time. Last time there was just one main tower, and now there are twin towers here. And there's the second tallest building of the city there. As you can see, the famous chicken, as seen in the last episode.
Now 1,000 Jenga blocks.
Yes, 1,000. We've got more Jenga blocks now.
300, perhaps 1,000.
And there's the Lego monument saying 2011 on it. There's the mini forest. Oh yes, the train, happily pleasing passengers there.
Welcome to Wood City 5. This is a magnificent city, as we've seen.
Yeah.
So I'll just give you a couple of views. So now there's two towers here instead of one. I'll just walk you around it.
Just a few people having a tea break up there. There's some dude there. And he's just about to open Wood City 5 by cutting that ribbon, but you know, things go wrong here. Anything could happen.
Uh-oh.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! 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 Fire!
that took 5 hours or 6 hours to build has now been destroyed in a matter of seconds.
I'll be back.